We're about to do a packing video for Morocco. It's gonna be the best packing video that we've ever done.
Woo! Morocco is a very conservative country, so I always pack shirts that are light and loose so that I'm not, hot when I'm traveling, but also I feel covered, which is important in a conservative country. Although Morocco is a warm destination, you still want to bring layers, especially when you're visiting locations like the Sahara. It can get cold at night, so you want to make sure that you have different jacket options. I really like to buy my layered tops from Lucky brand. Bring loose pants, but also pants that cover you enough. Typical protocol in Morocco is to make sure that your shoulders and your knees are covered. I also like to bring long maxi dresses. These are really handy in countries that tend to be a little bit more conservative. Probably the most important thing you can bring to Morocco is a scarf. You can wear this around your shoulders, or you can wear it even over your head when you're going into mosques or visiting religious sites. Also in Morocco, you want to make sure that you bring a swimsuit. Although you won't be spending a lot of time at the beach, there are a lot of swimming pools at the riads you'll be staying at. I like to bring a swimsuit. You'll want to make sure to bring a good pair of closed-toed shoes, such as these Timberland hiking boots, and a good pair of open-toed shoes. My electronics I pack into a packing cube, and my toiletries I pack into a little black bag. I like to put all my clothes in a carry-on suitcase. That way, it's easy for me to manage, and I can take it on the airplane without any hassle. So, I'm headed off to Morocco, and I will see you later!